Good evening, students. So today we are going to learn comment tag and HR tag. Comment tag generally used to give some extra information for developers, so developer can understand what the actually code written for. And HR tag generally used to separate the contents in a web page. So practically, I'll tell you, so you will easily understand how these two tag work. So let's start. The software I'm using for development of these web pages, that is Visual Studio Code, and I recommended also last time also. I hope you installed in your computer. If you had not installed the same software, you can download it from the given link or you can Google it. And according to your system, Windows or Linux or Macintosh, whatever you are using, and on the basis of those architecture, 32-bit or 32-bit or 64-bit, you can download the same software. Got it? So comment tag. The comment tag is used to insert comments in HTML code. It is good practice for coding so that coder and the reader can get help to understand the code. It is useful to understand the complex code. The comment tag is useful during the debugging of the codes. It is simple piece of code that is wiped off, or if we can say ignored, by web browser, that is not displayed by the browser. Okay, this is just for coder or developer for extra information, for what purpose the code is written. It helps the coder and reader to understand the piece of code used for, especially in complex source code. So these are the syntax. Uh, Comment how you can write this, and this is the syntax you have to follow. So there are different types of comment, like a single line comment, multi-line, and using comment tag. However, we are not going to use using comment tag because this one is optional or sometimes we're not supported by the web browser. We'll use these two, single line, multi-line, with the help exclamation sign. Got it? So let's start. So this is the simple code of the same actually single line comment, and I'll show you practically also how you can use this. So let me start Visual Studio, and here I'll make a new web page. Suppose single underscore line underscore comment dot html. This dot html is must. Okay, so this new code actually created. So now what we have to do, just start with simple html, and between these I will place all those code. Let me increase the appearance or zoom in, so that code will be easily visible. Now hope you this one is visible. Got it? So next is directly start from the body. Okay, the title and the head you can also include. And now what, we'll write some comment here. Automatically place, just check. This is heading, yeah, heading tag. And for what, h1, what the tag will use here, h1, and give some heading whatever you want. Suppose ABP score. Okay, now some more comment tag here. Suppose now here this is single line comment, and what, we take some heading. I have already explained you that h1 to h6. This is single line comment. Got it? Now save this one, right click and run with live server. Just check, this is single, only this one is coming. Let me show you the code also so you can easily understand. Just check, This is single heading tag. This is not appearing. Got it? So comment never appear in the web page. This is in this information for the coder or developer only. Got it? Sometimes when we write some complex code for some complex web pages, so that time this comment help us. So we can easily understand for what purpose this code is written. Got it? Similarly, move back to the slide. This is the multi-line comment. Like this, you can write multi-line comment. The same page I'll use and show you the code how, or you can make the new page from here. Just click it here, multi-line. Okay, comment dot html. This dot html is must. Okay, take care while writing the code, so the system can understand that actually that code is for HTML web page. Okay, the simple same one I will use here. HTML here, body, and here we'll write multi-line. How? Dash dash and light, whatever the codes come here, that appearing green, you can easily understand that is a multi-line commenter tag. Got it? This is heading tag. Now mention a heading tag here. Suppose S6. S6 is the list. Okay, S1 H1 is the most. This I explained in previous tutorial. You can go through with that so you can easily understand. ABPS code. Okay. Now we'll take one more heading here. Just you can copy it and paste it. Got it? And here suppose we'll take H3. This is heading tag. Okay, H3. Save it, right click it and open with live server. Just check. This is heading tag and this is head of the web page. Got it? So you can do it this your own, so you can understand when you write some complex code, so you can place comment. Got it? Now move to the next topic, that is horizontal tag. The horizontal tag defines the thematic breaks in HTML page, that is shift of the topic. The HR elements is the most often displayed as a horizontal rule that is used to separate content or define a chain. Just earlier I explained you the same thing. So in web pages you can separate the content. Definition uses the HR tag. It defines the thematic break in HTML page, a shift topic. The HR elements is most often displayed as a horizontal rule used in separate content HTML page. So this is the code, and I'll show you also. Just check here. This one I've already made. Like just said, HTML, the opening of the HTML body. Here I've taken one heading also, a paragraph also I mentioned here. Now just check, this is the HR tag actually. The important thing is where this HR actually appearing. There is no closing tag of this. Okay, take care. Whenever you mention HR, a line will be, a rule will be appear. Got it? So a rule appear here. Then what? This paragraph tag where I mentioned the Aditullah Public School, Vikramnagar Khor, and again one more HR. So two line will appear. One is the above and one is the below. Got it? The same code you can use. You can take the snapshot or you can type it in your machine or system. Let me save and let me open this one. Just check, these two lines are appearing. You can, when you make a change, suppose you take the one more HR tag. So just check what will happen. Save it and move back. Just check another line. Similarly, if you take it here, so this is actually, you can easily separate the content of your web page. Sometimes we have to show something in a separate portion, so we can easily do with the help of HR tag. Save it. Just check, these two lines are appearing. Got it? This is actually separating the web pages. So that is up to you how you are using that. I'll teach you only the concept. Creativity you have to show how you can actually use all these tags to make a better web page. Just check. Got it? So this is the code, and like this you can easily use jar tag. Got it, student? So and this is the code. Take the snapshot and you can type in your system, and you can check the changes while applying all this code. So all these thing in today's tutorial, students, I hope you understand and do it practically, so you can actually get the idea how the code is working. Got it? I'll teach you everything with tag by tag, so all the tag you can understand, and at last we will merge all those things and make a proper web page, or we can say a website. Got it? So till that, thank you, student. Thank you very much.